Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm filming a makeup tutorial of a colored pencil drawing that I drew, and I hope you enjoy. I'm first using a Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I have the shade F6, I'm using it as a base. Now using the Morphe 35b eyeshadow palette, I'm picking up the hot pink shadow and I am blending this into my crease. I'm taking the peach shadow and I'm blending it above the hot pink and blending it upwards towards my brow bone. I'm using a black shadow and applying it on the outer part of my eyes. I'm using a paper card as a guideline to have a clean and sharp edge for the eye makeup. I am also applying the black eyeshadow on the inner part of my eyes. I am applying this blue eyeshadow over the foundation base. I'm using the black eyeshadow again and applying it onto my upper lash line. I am also adding this to my lower lash line as well. Using that blue eyeshadow and applying it below the black onto my lower lash line and adding the pink right below the blue shadow. Using the Creme Shop 3D False Lashes in Wig, and I am using a light pink shimmer shadow to highlight my brow bone and inner corners. This is my completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.